Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to unmention yourself or untag yourself on Twitter. Now as you can see, if I go to my mentions here, as you can see here on my notifications, I can see that this person has mentioned me, right? So I can go to this tweet. We can go to this tweet, and as you can see, this is the tweet I want to unmention myself from this tweet. So I'll go to three dots here, and I will go and click on leave this conversation. What this will do, as you can see, we will untag our username, we will stop future mentions from this person, and we will stop notifications from this person as well. Now we can leave this conversation here, and yeah, you've successfully left this conversation. As you can see, you left this conversation. People can't mention you again in this conversation, and this is practically the best way how to unmention yourself and how to untag yourself on Twitter, on mobile, and on your computer as well.